Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove message button on Facebook. So what is basically message button on Facebook? Whenever you open your profile, you guys will be able to see a message button. For example, here our profile has been showing, so you guys can see the message button. Anyone who can visit your profile can send you a message. So you guys have to remove this button, or you guys have to deactivate or hide this button. So I'm gonna tell you this method. So you guys don't have to worry about it. You guys have to simply go back, and after that you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of your profile. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is settings and privacy. So after tapping on that, it will provide you drop down menu. So you guys have to simply tap on settings. So in the settings, you guys have to simply go swipe up, and in this way you guys will be able to see the option which is how people find and contact you. So you guys have to simply tap on it. So here I have Facebook page, so there is no an option available of message button. So if you don't have professional account, you guys will be able to see who can contact you or who can message you. So you guys just have to simply change the privacy of that to only me. So you guys have to simply change the privacy of everyone to only me. So after tapping on that, you guys will be able to remove message button on Facebook. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.